Welcome to our online booking portal. We will be walking through important settings to ensure you can successfully set up your online services for patients and utilize our e-commerce features. To start, I will show you how to display your business hours, clinic location information, and managing your clinic availability for online booking, as well as our e-commerce options. Inside of Aesthetic Record, you will click the settings gear here at the top right. Once you click that settings gear, you'll locate Manage Clinics under Account Setup. Clicking into Charming Wrinkles, you'll see at the top we have our address information filled out. As I scroll down, here is where you'll display your business hours. Entering the hours for each day will reflect on your booking page. Keep in mind, if you leave a day blank, it will reflect as closed for your patients. Additional location information for booking portal. If you need to include specific directions for your patients to follow upon arrival to your clinic, you can customize location information here. You can now choose to only allow online booking or e-commerce options on your booking page. If this first booking box is checked for online, patients will have access to both booking and the e-commerce portal. If the second box for e-commerce is checked, online booking will not be available. However, the ability to sell e-gift cards, packages, or offer memberships can be displayed online. You can uncheck both boxes if you do not wish to show your clinic on the booking portal at all. Whichever option you choose, always be sure to save your work here at the bottom right. Now let's take a look at your services. All treatments you allow for online booking will be listed here, along with the time duration and your service descriptions. If I click this drop down next to Choose a Service Category, you have your general service categories you can organize based on what you offer. Inside of Aesthetic Record, you'll want to follow these steps to manage your service offerings. If you click the Appointments tab here at the top, you'll then click this wrench at the top right. Accessing Smart Configuration, we will click into Services here to the far left, and here's where you can manage all service settings. First, you'll want to manage those categories for patients to pick from. You can choose what each category says depending on what you offer, and you can organize the order of each treatment category. If I X out of here, now we can manage the service specific for online booking. As you see, we have our service category type, our specific treatment name that patients can pick from. The providers who can perform this treatment are all tied in this section as well. We have a service deposit that you can add into each treatment. If I toggle this to yes, you can add that service deposit fee. Keep in mind, service deposits are only available with point of sale activation. As I scroll through, you can choose if this treatment is available for online booking or unavailable. You'll simply toggle it on or toggle it off to remove it from your patient's view. As I scroll down, you can tie specific questionnaires or consents, general patient paperwork, to the treatment to be sent to your clients. And here is where you'll see that description shown for online booking that your patients can read upon booking their treatment. If I click back into your booking page, here is where it's displayed. Now that our service offerings are completed, let's go ahead and book an appointment. If I click Book Now as a patient, I'll then enter my information. Entering my phone number for verification, I'll click Verify Phone Number and simply enter the code that is sent to my cell phone. Once I click Verify, we can select any additional treatments needed. Here is the treatment I selected. I'll click Next. Now I can select the provider I'm choosing to book with. As you see here, we have a Book with First Available option. This is a setting inside of Aesthetic Record that you can choose to display or remove it from your booking page. If I click Next at the bottom right, I'll then select my time slot. Once I click Next, that appointment will be confirmed. Keep in mind, if you do require service deposits, your patients will be prompted to enter their credit card details and pay that service deposit requirement. Now that the appointment is booked, let's take a look at additional settings inside of Smart Configuration. If I click into Aesthetic Record, you'll click into Booking Portal. Under Domain Configuration, here is where you can customize the links for your booking page for your clinic. This first link is your patient portal link where patients will fill out their patient paperwork. Booking URLs for clinics, these are all used for online booking. So you can use these links to embed on your website or social media. If I click into this Settings tab, a few settings to reference here to the far right under Appointment Times. This first section, you can separate your time slot increments. If you'd like to customize those time slot increments for booking, here's where you can select those options. Minimum lead time for booking is set at instant. Lead time allows you to create space before a booking. For example, do you want a client to be able to book a time slot 10 minutes before, or would you rather have a 30-minute notice? You can select from these time slots. All of these are optional and customizable depending on your workflow. You can choose if Book with First Available is turned on or off for your patient's view. Simply toggle it on or off in this section. Next, we'll click into Web Configuration. Here is where you will add a description and welcome to your booking page. You can customize this as needed. Here's where the description pulls up. If I click onto your online booking page and click on the landing page, here is where it is displayed. You can customize that to your liking. Next, we have a few settings to reference. Display the following items on Booking Portal. Memberships, gift cards, and promotions can now be offered online for your patients to enroll or purchase. Keep in mind, this is only available if you do have point of sale activated. You can also choose to display your staff so your patients can get to know your team ahead of time. Our Google Analytics Measurement ID, if you have set up this section, you can enter the measurement ID here. This will allow you to see and pull data-driven decisions to improve your website, optimize user experience, and refine your marketing strategies. Keep in mind, you will need to view the data outside of Aesthetic Record. As you see here to the far right, you have your phone number and your website. Once again, clicking into your online booking landing page, here is where it will reflect. Inside of our Booking Portal tab, you now have the option to select a theme. This will be displayed on your online booking page depending on what color you choose. This is fully customizable to you and your clinic. If I change this to pink and click Save, you'll see once I select my online booking page and hit refresh, the color is now updated. Now let's walk through our e-commerce section of the Booking Portal, starting with our Memberships tab. Inside of Aesthetic Record, I will show you where you can locate memberships that you can customize for your patients to enroll in. As I click into Aesthetic Record, as you log in, you'll click the settings gear at the top right. Clicking into the POS tab to the left, you'll access Patient Loyalty. Here is where you can create multiple membership programs for your clients. With our existing ones in our account, I'll click into 2023 Summer. I'll click Edit. Important settings to keep in mind. You'll name the membership type, tie a membership agreement that your patients will be prompted to sign and review before enrollment. It is important that you allow this membership on the patient portal by toggling this button here to the far right. This will provide the information on the online booking page. Membership description for Booking Portal. You can customize the perks that come with this membership for your patients' view. Once you click Save, you'll see inside of the membership portal, they are displayed here for enrollment. If I click View Details as a patient, I can read what percentage discounts I get with this membership or any other details you would like to include. Once I click Join Now, I'll get to read that membership agreement listing terms and conditions upon enrollment. Click this checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions and apply my signature. Once I click Add to Cart, it is added to the cart for the patient to fully enroll. Keep in mind, in order to check out, the patient has to log in or create their patient portal. Next, we'll walk through our Promotions tab on your online booking page. Inside of Aesthetic Record, To manage promotions, select the settings gear at the top right, POS at the far left, then promotions. Keep in mind, packages are only available with point of sale turned on. On the booking portal, only packages and buy one get one deals will be displayed. In order to manage a package, you'll click into the package itself or create it from scratch. In this case, you'll give it a title, add your price for your patients to purchase, and select the quantity that you're selling for this package deal. As I scroll down, you'll see you can make it available for purchase on your booking portal by simply checking this box on or off. Create a description, add the promotion name, and upload an image for your booking portal. These fields are all required in order for you to save this package online. Keep in mind, packages are all pre-purchases for treatments that will go into the client wallet to be redeemed at the time of treatment. On the portal, here is where your packages will reflect for purchase. See the photo, the title, and the description that was set up reflected here. Now let's walk through our last section of our e-commerce features. Clicking into e-gift cards tab here at the top right, I'll walk you through how to create and customize gift cards to sell for online purchase. Clicking into aesthetic record, once logged in, you'll click the settings gear here at the top right, POS tab here to the left, and e-gift cards. To manage the e-gift cards, you'll give the gift card a name, displaying the amount that they're purchasing. You can customize the price or select from these options listed, enter the gift card value, select the date range that they are available for purchase, add an expiration, and an e-gift card policy is required to save your customized gift card. Here at the bottom, you'll see you can make it available for online purchase or you can remove that option. Once you click Save, here is where they are reflected inside of your booking portal. Once I click Buy Now, they'll enter their information. Patients will receive a 16-digit code to the recipient email in order to redeem their value, which you will be able to locate inside of our e-gift card reports. That wraps up our booking portal features. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helped.